Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. This is your first time watching any of my videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's vlog is a weekend trip to Daegu. I finally dragged my ass and came for a weekend trip. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute. If you watch my life update video, you know I mentioned this. It's been a long ass time. Like, I've been staying at my apartment way too long, and I'm like, you came here to explore and live life, not to be sitting in your apartment. So right now I'm going to Seomun market. It's literally very close to here, and then I'm also meeting up with someone why am I out of breath? I'm also meeting up with someone that I met in orientation, of course. Yeah, so we're just going to explore. I have like my full itinerary and stuff because I'm kind of crazy. Wait, let me check. I forgot if I'm supposed to turn on it. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you actually enjoy it. Bro, this city life, I'm not used to it, but I actually do like coming to the city because it's just like different from my norm. But it's nice to also go back to like somewhere that's not too busy. Anyways, enough of the chatting. Let's go. I should show you guys this view with like the cars and everything, but the sun is this way. Anyways, the weather is perfect today. It's currently like 13 degrees, which is why I'm not wearing like a big jacket, and I'm really happy about that. And you guys know how I feel about the sun being out. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Trust my foodie ass to have grabbed something. This street snack, it's like sausage and tteokbokki, which is like a rice cake. Are you gonna like eating with chopsticks?
Yeah, I've gotten good at it.
Okay, currently working out, bro. We're currently walking, making our way. Can't I speak? We're currently making our way to the, how do you say it? Arboretum?
Daegu Arboretum.
Arboretum, something like that. And yeah, after that we're going to go to this like mural village, which I really wanted to go to. It was on my itinerary. So it's 1.3 kilometers from here, so like 20 minutes, right? Like 20-minute walk.
Probably less.
Okay, that's not bad as long as the weather is nice. It doesn't sound like torture. Should I show your face? Should I show your face?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, we're here at the Arboretum, and it's actually so peaceful. Just taking a quick break right now because my mouth is dry and I just wanted to sit for a bit. But it's just so like serene and chill. People are just walking, chilling. I love peaceful vibes, chill vibes. That's just so my thing. I'm not a huge like activity person that likes to hop from one thing to another, so this is definitely more my vibe. Also getting those steps in so that all the food I'm consuming can just like slowly make its way out for more food. Oh my gosh, this place is so perfect. Now I know why people like highly recommend this place. It's just so nice, bruh. I'm always like in a deep state of gratitude whenever I travel. Ah, it feels so good. I love this place. Ooh. Why do they look like bamboo trees?
They are.
Ah, it's true. Hope I didn't sound dumb. Yeah, they are bamboo trees. Crazy. Cherry blossom season awaits us. This is just the tip of the iceberg. It's like nature without the birds.
No.
Currently at Mabijeong Mural Village. Came here. Yeah, we just got here. So this is our stop number 2 for the day. We're supposed to go to these like mountains for the sunset, but it looks really far from here. So we don't know what we're going to do, but we'll see.
Also depicts the culture because it used to be like a horse watering place.
Oh really? I didn't know that. Quick history lesson. How many steps do you think it took? Yes.
Probably close to 11.
See, the thing about hiking, you're going to be like, but look at the view. It's a nice mountain view. So nice. Okay, we're actually still hiking. This is like the midpoint. There's another trail over there, as you can see. And it's almost sunset time, so this will be perfect for it. Taking another break. Okay, almost there. I think which way are we going? Just straight? Can literally feel my energy just like going down. Oh, whew, bruh. Whoa. Okay, this is actually stunning. Let me zoom in a little. This view, we're like hiking to the top, and this is the view. What? So beautiful. Okay, we're inching closer and closer. My mouth is like dry because I've basically finished the water that I brought here. But I said we can't give up. We've been hiking for like an hour. We can't quit. We're almost there. We can see the top of the mountain. Let me show you. It's right there. So close. Yeah, so far away. We're almost there. Sorry guys, I showed you the wrong peak. It's the one on this side. I don't know if you can see it. I think the sign says 0.3 kilometers. Man, I can already sense, I can smell it. Victory is near. Oh my gosh, I can smell it, I can taste it. Like, can you see the city view? It's literally right behind these trees, you guys. We worked so hard and we are here. Okay, let's just finish it. The end is near. Oh my god. Hey, it's been a long time coming. Almost there. We finally made it! worth it. Look at this city view. Oh my god. OMG. Wow, 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 wow. Biggest accomplishment. This is amazing. And it's almost sunset. I can't. Yo, we made it. We did it. We did it. Dun, 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 dun. Woo. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay. We famous. We did it. Da, 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 da. We climbed for 2 hours to catch this sunset. Oh, I'm out of breath. But we did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray. Whoa, I'm so happy. Like, you guys have no idea. Oh, whoa, we actually did it. Oh, y'all, I wish these trees were not so high and like blocking, but because the view is just, I'm trying to give you guys like an angle or something. It's like the city, like all these buildings. Can you see them? Well, the tree is blocking, so you can't see, or like the trees are blocking, so you can't like fully see them. Let me move away a bit for the sunset. Ah, majestic. God is majestic. I feel like I can like literally see God right now. Ooh, this is nice. Ah, we're on our way down right now. And this is a nice view to encourage us to just like finish this thing. Oh, y'all, if you ever hike, make sure you wear hiking shoes, because the way our feet and ankles have been twisting and turning just to get us out of here, I'm like, I have to say something about it. Also, yeah, we were so not dressed for this. Like, this was very spontaneous. So, I guess that's part of the price we have to pay for spontaneity. Oh, I can see the end. Wait, is that the shit? Something just moved. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Something moved. Ah! Faster, faster, faster. Yo, we made it down back to normal people's territory. Can't believe we made it. We got here, or we got to that place at like 3:54. So let's say we started hiking at like 4 or 4:10, and it's currently 7 o'clock exactly, I believe. Let me check one more time. 6:59. So basically 7 o'clock. Yeah, we're going to try and get food. The trail brought us to like another side of town, which is so wild. It feels like we just like worked really hard and we're getting like a nice reward out of this. I hope the dinner slaps so it can make everything even better. Whew. That was a hike. Currently downtown Daegu, or currently in downtown, or exploring downtown. Of course, it's when I want to record, I'm walking past a loud place. Bro, 20,000 steps, I'm pushing 21,000 steps. The exhaustion was a person. If walking and traveling and exploring exhaustion was a person, it's me. We're currently going to a norraebang. Did I say that? Yeah, norraebang is the karaoke place. That's where we're going now. I just had street snacks, but I couldn't show it because I was like using my 2 hands to hold everything and it would have gotten too messy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to going back to my hotel and just taking a shower and just crashing, honestly.
Mic test, Tomi in the building. Mic test. Let's go. Let's go. See if that's in English. I'm waiting. Wait. Let's see if they have any English related. This is who's gonna do all the labor? I need an answer.
That book and see don't have.
So you do need some help.
Yes.
Just be honest.
Do check on the. Okay, check on the. Check on
You're
the.
having way too much fun with this, eh?
Check on the book. Check on the book. You got the.
The bullets. Just stop your crying. It's a sign of the time. Just stop your crying, baby. Yeah. Breathe in and breathe me out. What a little sugar high. What a little sugar high.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is my last day in Daegu. Yeah, because it's a weekend trip. I'm going to the Daegu National Museum History, Daegu History Museum, something like that. Oh sorry, I meant Modern History Museum, Daegu Modern History Museum. My eyes are like low-key swollen because of yesterday. My eyes are very sensitive and I was like taking off my sunglasses, so I don't know if stuff was entering my eyes and stuff. It was so itchy. Thank God I didn't forget my eye drops. That's something like I just can't do if I'm going on a trip. But yeah, I'm going to the museum right now, 10 minutes walk from here. So yeah, I just left the hotel like maybe 5-ish minutes ago. Yeah, but we're going to go to the museum today. I was just honestly going to get a massage and head home, but I was like, let me just touch like the places that are nearby and nothing too high energy, and then probably grab some food and then head home after. Okay, just got here. This is the outside. Head down, run away. Okay, let's go.
지점은 일제강점기 때 공공은행으로 지어졌지요. 감사합니다.